Hey y'all, I'm Nurse Chris, and I help nurses turn their skills into income and independence. Most nurses are taught how to heal hearts, treat wounds, and stand on the front lines of emergencies. But nobody teaches us how to prepare for the day we file our first self employment tax return. It's not glamorous, but it's real. Let's talk about something most people avoid: taxes. Taxes are the monster in the closet for a lot of nurses who start their own practices, side hustles, or coaching gigs. We say it's about the paperwork or the time, but really it's about fear. When I started my own practice, in addition to being worried about how I would get my first client, I really was worried about the IRS. I'd never been audited, but I have watched YouTube videos on small business owners melting down every April, scrambling for receipts and crying about steep and hefty penalties. When I was growing up, my uncle had some type of law business. It was something like filing pages in law books, and every year it was the same scene at tax time. It's the unspoken anxiety that keeps smart, competent nurses playing small. But here's what I learned after 1 year in business: you do not need an MBA to handle your taxes. You just need to install the right safety nets on day one. Let me break it down for you. If you're starting a nurse concierge business, a private practice, or a health consulting gig, let me share with you the 3 things that I did that helped. Number 1, I opened a business bank account, not a joint account, not I swear I'll just track it in a spreadsheet, a real separate business only checking account. This one move, as basic as it sounds, gave me 2 things I didn't realize I needed: clarity and protection. Clarity, because now I could see every dollar that came in or went out pertaining to my business. No more scrolling through pages of Target and Amazon, because Amazon is my thing, trying to flag what was a business expense. And by the way, side note, Amazon has a business, there is a business Amazon as well. So you can actually have a business Amazon account, okay? Which you don't have to pay extra for if you're already paying for Prime. You can add it onto your Prime. Okay, so it also gave me protection because if, God forbid, something went sideways, the IRS could not accuse me of treating my practice like a lemonade stand. If you take one thing from this video, make it this: a business account is not just about taxes, it is about legitimacy. Number 2, I tracked my income and expenses monthly. This is easy to do because my bank account automatically categorizes them for me. I had to initially set it up, but now I do not even think about it. I discovered something shocking. It really wasn't that hard. And when tax season rolled around, I literally just hit export. I also track my mileage with an app called Mile IQ, and the link is in the description. And I upload all of my receipts to an app called Spark Receipt. It keeps everything in one place and categorizes receipts as well. The best part, it has a feature where you can email invoices and they will be uploaded to your account. Number 3, I got help when I needed it. Maybe your cousin's friend does taxes on the side. Maybe you think QuickBooks will save you, but here's the real secret: paying a pro is not a sign of weakness, it's an investment in your sanity. The first time I hired a CPA, I did not think I needed one, but let me tell you, this lady was so thorough and was able to find tax breaks I never would have found or thought about on my own. But the most important thing, I stopped seeing myself as just a nurse doing a side hustle and started owning the fact that I was running a legitimate, thriving business. Taxes became something I handled, not something I dreaded. I felt like a professional, and you can too. Inside my private nurse community, I share the exact systems I use step by step. We talk about what's deductible, what's risky, and how to automate the boring parts so you can focus on your clients and on your mission. And maybe most importantly, you'll be in a circle of other nurses who get it. We're all up against the same challenges, but together we move faster and further. If you've been avoiding taxes or feeling like you're secretly winging it, let's fix that. You deserve to build something strong and sustainable. Your license deserves protection. Your business deserves to run like a business. Come and join me in my school community where I help other nurses build their practices. I am also starting a 6-week Nurse Entrepreneur Academy that will open up on September 23rd, where I take you hand by hand, week by week for 6 weeks from one, figuring out a name, getting your LLC, your PLLC, your EIN, showing you all the tools that I use in my business, setting up your website. You will leave with your with contracts in place, logos, flyers, business cards, and a plan to get your first 5 clients. If that is something you'd be interested in, as I stated, that cohort will start September 23rd. Please look at the link in the description. I look forward to seeing you on the inside.